My name is Valentina, and this is Ariella, and today we're going to be making apple crisp.
Who's next to you?
And this is my friend Cameron, and she's going to be helping us today.
What's the first step?
So first, we gotta peel off all the apples.
All right, let's start.
I don't have any.
I'll get you one.
Now we're gonna mix the ingredients in.
What's the first one?
Flour,
What do you have in front of you?
brown sugar.
All right, everyone put your brown sugar in. Okay.
Now we're going to put in the flour. Do you have a cloud? Can you touch it?
What's next?
It's just
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. All right, get that cinnamon. Girls, what do we do next?
Stir it. I'm going to put
Stir it first.
me.
Describe it. What does it look like?
It looks like a bunch of clouds. Well, I would describe it by it looks like the powder that you would put on donuts.
Mm.
Oh yeah, it does. Look at it. Look at a donut in it. Hey, Dad, we need it. The light.
Okay, what's next? What's the last
We
thing?
don't want it to be butter. But do you have to put in all the butter?
Yes.
Yeah, stop. Every single piece.
That's why it tastes good, because there's so much butter.
Wait, Mom. Don't we have to leave? So we can't like make it like all flat. We gotta have it chunks.
Put that butter in.
I just think. Can I start this time? No. Start now.
Cameron's got it. She's trying to crush it.
I think it'll be too hard for you. Do you know how I would crush it? You guys gotta
How?
stab into it. That's easy. Can I have the fork found?
Can you show us your muscles, Ariella?
Guys, try to stab into it.
Yeah.
Can I get you little pieces? That's what I'm doing. What?
no big. I want to be that strong.
Okay.
So here's the thing. If the fork is too difficult, get your hands in there.
Wait, let's both of us do it. Okay.
And what's the first rule of cooking?
Wash your hands. Like your
Mhm.
hands.
What does it feel like, Cameron?
That's very hard. This looks like
What do you feel? What does it feel like to you?
clouds. It feels like chunky clouds. It feels like chunky. Like cold. It's dough.
Look at me.
Turning it to dough.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Come on, keep eating them on.
That's a video.
Ready? And do it.
Now what does it feel like? What does it look like?
It looks
Is it getting crumbly?
dough. Yeah. Yes. No, it's not really. It's still kind of feels like dough.
We need crumbles, girls.
Look at, check. No, I don't punch it. We want it to make it crumbly like this.
Let me see what you got going on there. All right, put your hands in there. Keep mixing it up as hard as you
I
can.
can't reach. It's hard with 2 hands. Wait, with 4. Yeah. Now, when you're done doing that, it should look like this. You want it to stay crumbly like that. So now we're going to spray. We're gonna put the spray on this pan, so when we put this in, it doesn't stick while it's baking. So what's one? Just gonna spray the pan.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Now I'm gonna give it to Cameron, and now you're gonna spray the pan. gonna pour the apples into the pan.
Oh, why are real spread out?
Let's spread it around.
Spread them out.
Next, no, stop putting your hands in there. Next, we're going to take this crumbly powder and we're going to sprinkle it all over our apples. And when we sprinkle it all over apples, it makes the apples sweet. So we're going to take our hands and we're going to sprinkle it all over. Sprinkle it like this. It's just easier. Oh my God. What did I do?
Just crumble it up.
You gotta make sure we get it on every apple. That way it tastes sweet. All of them.
Oh, no, you want it on the top.
I'm applying sugar. And it's not really working, so I'm just going to take this and just put it in here. Spread it. Now I just spread it around. It looks really good. It does. Now we're gonna put our apple crisp in the oven. But we gotta make sure we do it with the adult because it's very hot. Now we put it in the oven, and after we put it in the oven, it looks like this. And we're gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna eat it for dessert. I know we usually eat it like when it's cooled off, but me and Ariella have a dentist appointment today, so we're not gonna eat it.
What does it smell like, girls?
It smells like applesauce. Delicious food. Yeah, it smells like apple crisp, and it smells like brown sugar.
Perfect. All right, Cameron's sneaking a bite before dinner time.
That's good.
It's good? 1 to 5, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. Give me a rating.
Like 4.
A 4. All right.
Because of how hot it is.
Oh, okay. So if it was cooled off, you would give it a 5? Okay. I mean,
Give me a thumbs up.
three serious bites in. Keep going. Yep. It's slowly turning into that 5. Let's get her reaction. Is it baby approved?
Oh, yeah. We already ate dinner, so now we're gonna start the taste of the apple crisp. And then later we're gonna try the applesauce. Yummy. Nom, 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 nom.
1 out of 5, 5 being the best.
5. Not 5. A 10. Oh, 100.
All right, let's see it. What's the best part of the apple crisp?
1,000.
What's the best part of it? Is it the apples or the crunchy stuff on top?
I think the crunchy stuff. Me too. Because the apples, without the crunchy stuff, don't taste really, really very good.